In this video, we're going to find and record the handset signal from a cell phone using DataVU PC and two RSAs. First, let's bring up the RSA Live View screens by clicking on the RSA Live View buttons. Click on both of these and they'll automatically connect to each respective RSA. In this case, we're using two RSA 306 models, but any combination of the USB units will work. Let's put the top RSA into spectrum trace mode so we can see bandwidths greater than 40 MHz. We do this by clicking on the display mode pull down and selecting spectrum traces. As you can see, this is centered on 1 GHz with a span of 1 GHz. Now let's set the reference level to something appropriate so that we can see these signals. -40 should be okay. Now you can see signals coming up. The cell phone frequencies are from about 750 MHz to 1990 MHz. So we'll set the center frequency to 1400 MHz. We use a span of 1300 MHz to cover the range. Now let's initiate a phone call and see if we can find the signal. And it looks like it popped up right here. So let's go ahead and click on that so that we can zoom in on the lower RSA screen. Let's set the reference level for the second RSA to -40 as well. We can drop the span to 10 MHz. Now let's record 1 second of data. We're going to call this file phone.xdat and start the recording. Okay, now that we have the recording, we'll disconnect and we should see this signal go away. All right, let's go ahead and look at this signal in DataVU PC. We have to close these windows, and then let's load the file called phone.xdat. And there's the handset signal that we expect. This was a demonstration of how to quickly locate and capture a signal that occurs in a wide bandwidth. Thanks for joining me.